Lera, нужна операция. 317 таких мусорных вечер. Сроки горят.
Принято. Выдвигаюсь на объект. Свяжусь после переговоров с производителем. Seems like we've got here. Is this the thing? What? Huh? Oh. 你好，请问这里是？楼上不好意思。哦，谢谢。哎，你们也做金属？你们做垃圾桶吗？谢谢。
Is this the elevator? We should go to the basement floor. Boop. Boop.
电梯关门。
What? How do I get out? Fuck. Oh. What? What? I need to call them.
喂，你好。
喂，你好，是
哪里？
Let's try them. Oh, shoot.
Let's hope I don't get murdered.
Shit. Again?喂，你好。我在这个展厅这边，我应该去几楼？
就是从电梯到图书馆尽头。
尽头这只有，这边有3个，有一个很小的空间。要我下去1楼啊，我下去1楼啊。
行吧，那我现在讲给我告诉你。
好，谢谢。I'm sweating like a pig.
电梯开门。
20 minutes later.
This is the place. 都可以看。你们有做过出口吗？就是。有出口过俄罗斯吗？你们的产品？对，因为这个客户是俄罗斯的。 我没有看设计图，这些是花香的。对对对。
That was faster than I thought. Now I need to get back to work. My
电梯开门。
full-time job. So, I just got home from a super long, tiring work day. So this showroom or trading company I visited today showed me some pretty cool products, which are exactly the type of products a potential buyer are looking for. But the thing is, this trading company is another middleman. So the quotation the staff sent me was a bit off. I feel like the pricing is not okay. So I asked another factory which looks kind of shady on the map. So before I visited this trading company, I searched for random factories which manufactures trash bins on the map. And I came across this very shady factory, which I never visited because I felt the location was a bit sketchy and I was scared to go there alone, so I didn't visit the factory. But after I visited the trading company, I decided to ask the factory or the staff from the factory to send me a quotation on the same product. And yeah, so the price difference between these two are 400 Chinese yuan for a piece. So for 300 something pieces, the pricing difference would be huge. 120k, right? 300 something times, yeah, the pricing difference would be 120k Chinese yuan. So I've already sent these two quotations to the potential buyer and I will let the customer decide himself. But I'm pretty sure that they would go for the factory. And honestly, if I were the buyer myself, I would also choose the factory for sure, because the trading company is just like another middleman in this whole supply chain, which are trying to suck a profit from the factory, and which is pretty unnecessary. So maybe in the future, I would only visit factories or companies which have their own factories, which have their own production lines, and yeah. That way I can cut out costs and help my potential customers save a lot of money. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next factory.
Алекс, миссия выполнена. Коммерческое предложение отправлено. Ждем вашего сигнала и запускаем производство.